Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell. It's important, guys, so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So right now it's early in the morning. Well, I don't want to consider it early, but I'm going to tell you the exact time. So it's 6:26. I've been up from 1 a.m. Yup. Yesterday never go as planned because Jason did end up get caught up. But he just cancel and tell him so would I get them done today. So I'm up early and make up for the time when I did lose yesterday. Remember, my promise and I'm not gonna rest my camera. I need to get back consistent. I need to go back to the old Iandra. Comment in the comment section and let me know if you don't agree to that. I think by now Jason might wake up because this is my second time I make my intro. We have stuff to get done today. We need to leave out of the house by 7:30. So I'm just gonna give Jason a couple more minutes before I go wake him up. In the meantime, I go and make some tea. Good morning. You know, what time you go to bed? After 1. And then I could sleep back. You know, hear me up in the house? I need to jump up now.
Oh.
You.
Anytime you jump up, babe, I be a bed.
But you don't need to cool off.
Yeah, you gotta cool off before.
But you can't cool off under a sheet.
I know.
I feel like I'm asleep. Comfy. Perfect. So I made some ginger tea. I'm gonna go and drink it while I'm away upon Jason. And the reason why I make Jason tea in another cup there, because when him finish bed, him can just grab it and we can leave out. I'm not gonna eat no crackers with my tea because I don't want nothing to eat until about 10 o'clock. Because I don't normally eat breakfast early. I have food in the fridge, so if Jason says I want food, I go just warm it up, give him. So I'll come back to you guys when I'm on the road. We are on the road now. And we sleep out the whole journey.
Can I ask you something?
Yes.
You have to keep me company any other time me driving today?
Yes.
And you never in a car little while. You did the Africa. No, you did the Bahamas. I don't know if you pick them up swimming in the water. Because you love them there.
They made it tired.
Probably I didn't hear a snore in your sleep.
You're talking about snore. Me hear myself a snore in my sleep. That ever happened to you now? I only snore though when I'm tired. Anyways, we are take care of some business.
Yeah, man.
Anyways, we're up on the road. I take care of some business, some stuff we want to get done off camera. Until we finish, get them stuff here out of the way. Then I go get my little things them for bake my little cake. Babe, come in Spanish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So you can only stop at 10?
We can go 20.
Go 20, babe.
We can go 29.
Go there, babe.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Remember from that 15.
You know the funniest...
Daisy 6, Daisy 7, Daisy 8, Daisy 9, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I don't know what 30. I remember what 30.
I love you, smart man.
What is if we go Mexico and we want to ask how much? What is that dollars again? How many?
I'm gonna take one. Uno.
How many dollars you have?
Uno. The funniest thing, when Jason passed 10, hear me. Okay? It doesn't say no. I can't tell you if you're wrong or you're right.
If I go Mexico, we can survive a little bit. Like if we want to find out whatever money, we can say, como te llamo?
So babe, yeah, hint me?
Me llamo Jason White.
Question, yeah, hint me, so we are going to Mexico?
No.
So, it's done to order, and the amount of time wait I go take for prepare, probably can't go wait so long. It's gonna take time, and time is again so another time. So I got the goodies. Me didn't want to bring it with me in the supermarket, but in there full. Anyways, me take up cherry, one whipped cream. I got the cream cheese frosting. I got this one, a whipped cream, foil paper, and I think that's it. I want Snicker for Jason. Get the 2 container them. Hello beautiful people. So me just get a chance to start bake the cake them. I went ahead and mix out the cake mix them off camera. I don't know how cake mix go. You add your egg, your water or your milk, your butter, and I don't know the whole cake mix thing goes. So I never want to take up my time with that. I mix them out halfway and make my sister them help me. My niece them never come because them they are their mommy. You know what came to my mind yesterday? Every time I tell them I say me I go bake, right? Me I wonder if you don't think me I go make like one pudding or one fruit cake. Me can't really bake. Me I try a thing, so me I stay on my lane. Cake mix for now. Until me can do fruit cake and pudding and all of that. Then you know me we step up the game. But yeah, cake mix, and I have a chocolate and the which one is this?
Vanilla.
And the vanilla. So we're gonna try to do a look of style. You ever buy them cake then you see them like them have a look of style in it, so you see white, you see brown, or you see color. Okay, so that we're gonna do. And also I made these off camera, so I never have nothing to put the cake them on to decorate them. And the plating not gonna work, so I made these. So it's a cardboard and I put foil paper over it. I'm gonna have cherry. I don't know if I'm gonna use the cherry. I'm supposed to call Bevan for she show me how to do the cherry thing. Because I didn't want to make the little thingy on top. What you call that? Glaze, the little red glowy thingy. But she said she know how to make it, and all I did need to buy that cherry here, and she'll just something about boil it down. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna worry use this. And Pookie them did have these down a yard. So I just carry them up. Some icing. Pookie said she don't like them because them taste bad. So I might not go use them, but this is yellow, white, black and blue. And brush it. Like brush it all over the container. Good girl. Yeah, brush up here so the corner there. All of them like be like swirly, like mix them, or put one for vanilla, one for chocolate, and then one for
and mix them together.
Yeah, because I don't want them to too fat, so I'm gonna put little one, because it's gonna be one.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Alright guys, so I just fill the container as well. So we're gonna add in with cake now. So This is a common sense now. You're going to put brown, then white. Brown, then white. Alright, wait. First thing first. Let me get that one here out the way. Okay, I think so. We're going to have enough butter. Well, the one them we're going to layer, them not have to be too fat. Alright, under it?
Yeah.
Wait, alright. Mia, you have to hold it. Pookie, help her.
It's really good too.
Oh, yeah. But you think... No, make them use it like this. It's going to be a messy work.
So little too.
Oh, you know if it's stop now. Wait, you want some more.
Stop now. Ooh, chocolate's so good.
Yeah, smell really good, don't it?
That was some red. Some I black out.
Alright, Pookie. That one is yours to design. Use the bottom part of the fork.
Yes.
So make any design one you want to make. Let me see yours, Mia. Okay.
You don't really blend in here.
Don't really mix it. Let me help you.
Like that.
Look. You go like this. Then you go like this.
Ooh.
Alright guys, so these are how the cakes are looking. So I'm gonna put them in the oven right now. Ooh, hot. Guys, you did a good job. High five. So guys, Pookie made a very important point. Pookie, tell me what you just said.
Well, sometimes the design on the cakes don't turn out as good as it looks now. Because some designs are very detailed and when you put them in the oven, it just bakes and don't turn out good. Like I hope so. Turn out good.
You're smart, you know, Pookie. You're truth, you know, guys. Well, make a hope for the best. So I'm gonna go and clean up and then come back to you and edit in the meantime. Guys, the cake them finished bake and them look really good. Really, really good. Let me show you. Tell me what you think. I think them look really nice. I took them out probably 12 minutes ago out of the oven. Them not real, them are fully cool, but them are cool. So I'm not going to force the ice to them. I'm going to make them cool properly before I ice them because I don't want to spoil it like the last time. See guys, I'm going to get the whole decorating of the cake in another video. But babe, come look here.
Oh man. You come like you have to go bake a wedding cake. No real thing.
Babe, stop it.
No, seriously.
Babe, a cake mix.
So? I give you a 10 out of 10. Well, I give you a 5 out of 10. The next 5 depends on how it tastes.
I was sick.
I mean, Pookie them up. So, let me show you. Pookie designed that one here. Mia designed that one here. And me do them 2 here. That one here end up bigger than all of them.
Oh, that one me again.
The big one?
Most. One my cake. One my one cake that will be there on the side.
Which one cake? Guys, him don't know what You don't know the plan for the cake? So I'm gonna layer them. So this one gonna be on top of this one, and then we're gonna ice it. Let me get our stool so she can stand up.
They turn out good.
Yeah, that one is pretty.
That one is too ugly. That one too much brown.
This look good so far. When I start the whole ice thing yet, so I'm not really get too excited yet. But just to say, look like I can bake with wedding cake. Of course, I'm not gonna bake with wedding cake because I can't really bake. But yeah, I need to stop going like I make the cake from scratch, a box cake. Anyways, I'm gonna end off my video right now. So I'm gonna make them cool down some more and then ice them later. So I'm gonna continue the video when I start to decorate them. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100K. I love you guys so much. Bye.